Do you want to know how you can log into your Paytm Mutual Fund account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Paytm Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or OS browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Paytm Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Paytm Money. Go ahead and click sign in, which you can see on the top right hand side, which will take you to the official login portal of Paytm. You can log in using your mobile number, your password, or your QR code. To log in using your mobile number, go ahead and write down your mobile number in this box. Click proceed securely, and you can see what will open up after that. So after you write down your number, click proceed securely, and then this OTP code system will send you an OTP code on your phone. Write down the OTP code on your screen and then you can click proceed. This way you can log into your Paytm Mutual Fund account using your phone. Now if you want to log in using password, go ahead and click login with password. What you need to do now is write down either your mobile number or your email address. So go ahead and fill this section up and write down your password in the second box. After you write this password, go ahead and check it and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Paytm Funds account or your Paytm Mutual Fund account using your email address and your password. The last option is to log in using QR. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can scan the QR, which is coming over here in a while, and then you can log in with OTP or QR as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.